And the answer is type 4. And you might be thinking, so what? Well, I'm here for you, and I'm here to tell you that type 4 is incredibly important. Know how to use type 4? English becomes a lot easier because type 4 is just so pervasive. Oops. Sorry for using such a big word. What I meant to say, type 4 is everywhere, absolutely everywhere. And when I say type 4, the first thing that springs to mind to my students are the continuous tenses. And of course, you are right. Type 4 is related to the continuous tenses. So let's look at a couple of examples. So I will go to the second example. Don't call then, I'll be eating my dinner. So this is an example of the future continuous. And the third one, I was cleaning the house and my wife was cooking the dinner. So past continuous with two actions happening at the same time. And I will go to the second example. Sorry, I can't come to the barbecue. I'm taking the kids to a museum. So this is an example of the present continuous being used to show that you have a future plan. But type 4 is not only used for the continuous. There's a lot more to type 4. How about these? I like playing football. I enjoy working in the garden. Would you mind closing the window for me? All these, they take a type 4 because of the verb before them. If you have an action straight after them, it's a type 4. How about these ones? He's afraid of speaking in front of people. I look forward to drinking some beers this evening. Lucy's good at making personalized cards. So all these, they take a type 4 because of the word before the action. So we've got off, to, at. They're called prepositions. And if you have an action coming after it, it's a type 4. Now we've got driving a car in the city is a lot of hassle. Wasting time on social media is a problem a lot of people have. Me too. Painting pictures is rather relaxing. So here we have the type 4 coming at the start of the sentence. So it's kind of like a name of an activity. And we got more. Type 4 just keeps on giving. The secret to taking a great portrait is talking with them. Our manager's approach to solving problems is to ignore them. Is he like your manager? Tom's addiction to drinking alcohol cost him his job. Again, these sentences take a type 4 because of to. To can have many roles in English, and here it's plain as a preposition. So that's why we're using a type 4 after it. And there's more. These are also prepositions. You might not recognize them as prepositions, but they are prepositions. They actually have a different function to the ones I've shown before. So we got, despite raining most of the time, we still enjoyed our holiday. Due to rising costs, they cancelled the project. Except for finding a parking spot, we had a pretty nice day in Amsterdam. So there, you can see that type 4 appears in many different places in the sentence and has many different functions in English. Know how to use it, English becomes a lot easier. And in this course, you will find out when to use type 4. And also, I think also equally important is when to use type 1. Type 1 and type 4, if you know how to use them, English becomes a lot easier. See you in the next lesson.